Hexagon inhibitors creates a pigment that replaces toxic chemicals to protect from corrosion. So this has got the added benefit we extend the lifetime cycle of products or end assets, as well as taking toxic components out of the supply chain. They're completely different. They're micro reservoirs. They're not an encapsulated technology, so that means that they can be made to as fine as possible. They sit in the coating, they sense when they need to release, and they use chemical intelligence to protect the end asset. You don't need to replace or repair so often, therefore there's less primary drain on the world's resources, less CO2, and this way we can remove the toxic components that would put the workers at harm. Before the hexavalent chromate ban in Europe, there were 786,000 workers exposed to carcinogenic hexavalent chromate every year. By removing this from the supply chain allows safer working practices, not only for those workers, but then for people who are fixing the assets later on as well. So I started my career as a chemist, worked in pharmaceutical research, got bored, went back to university, did materials engineering, and that's when I found the discovery. I loved it. Really high level of skill set, a wide range of skills. Applied sciences is great, and then this crosses over. Then my pharmaceutical research allowed me to do the process engineering on the initial part. Now I've taken on a process engineer, and then also from doing the engineering, you learn how to problem solve. So you've got to work your way around problems, and there's always problems. At Hexagon, we believe in people's passion, and we believe in their integrity, and we believe in their potential. We also believe in their ability to work within a team, and this means that we've taken people on our team not because of their background, not because of their gender, it's all because of their ability. So we have an amazing diverse team. We've got apprentices through to doctorate level, people working in the company, working together, and everyone's idea is included. We don't like excluding anyone, and we like everyone's ideas to be brought forward.